Are you looking for the best electric kettles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric kettles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Amazon Basics Electric Hot Water Kettle. The Amazon Basics Electric Hot Water Kettle is a stainless steel 1.7 liter/1500 watt kettle that quickly boils water for your favorite hot beverages and more. With this kettle, you can make herbal tea, instant soup, cocoa, and even French press coffee in no time. Its compact design and cord wrap system allow for space-saving storage, while the detachable base and heat-proof plastic handle make it convenient for cordless serving. The kettle also features a removable filter, water-level window, and concealed heating element. Safety is a priority with auto shut-off and boil-dry protection. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of the Amazon Basics kettle for all your hot water needs. What we like: quick boiling time, auto shut-off feature, compact design, easy to clean, durable construction. What we don't like: water residue after emptying, no lid handle. Number 2. Chefman 1.8L Electric Kettle. The Chefman Electric Kettle is designed for quick and efficient boiling, allowing you to enjoy hot water in just 3 minutes. With its automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection, you can boil with confidence, knowing that safety is prioritized. The cordless design adds convenience, letting you serve hot beverages anywhere without being tethered to a plug. Plus, the blue LED indicator lights provide a clear visual cue during the heating process, ensuring you know when your water is ready. This kettle combines efficiency with safety and ease of use, making it a great addition to your kitchen. What we like: fast boiling speed, large capacity, automatic shut-off feature, modern design with LED lights, borosilicate glass construction. What we don't like: size may be too large, potentially heavy for some users. Number 3. Cuisinart Cordless Electric Kettle with Custom Controls. The Cuisinart Cordless Electric Kettle is a convenient and must-have kitchen appliance. It has a 1.7 liter capacity with 1,500 watts for fast heat up, a concealed heating element to prevent mineral buildup, and a removable/washable scale filter. The kettle features custom controls with one touch, a 30-minute keep warm option, a cool function, and 6 preset heat settings for steeping tea at the right temperature. It also has a 2-minute memory function and auto safety shutoff. The Stay Cool non-slip handle and 360-degree swivel power base provide a cordless experience. What we like: multiple temperature settings, quick boiling time, elegant design, convenient keep warm feature, durable and well built. What we don't like: buttons may wear out, pricey for some users. Number 4. Comfee Stainless Steel Cordless Electric Kettle. Enjoy a fast and safe boil with the Comfee Stainless Steel Cordless Electric Kettle. Made of premium 304 food-grade stainless steel, it boils up to 1.7 liters of water in just 5 to 7 minutes, faster and safer than a microwave. The British Strix thermostat controlling system ensures precise and safe operation, automatically shutting off when water is boiling, and the boil-dry protection prevents accidents. The friendly design features a cool touch handle, simple release button, and pop-up lid for easy use, while the 360-degree swivel base and UL standard power cord provide safe usage and storage. Cleaning is also a breeze with the removable nylon filter and easy-to-view water window. What we like: fast boiling time, modern and elegant design, automatic shut-off feature, durable stainless steel construction, easy to clean and maintain. What we don't like: thin metal construction, can get very hot. Number 5. Amazon Basics Electric Glass and Steel Hot Tea Water Kettle. The Amazon Basics Electric Glass and Steel Hot Tea Water Kettle is an electric kettle with a large 1.7 liter capacity and 1500 watt element for fast boiling. It is perfect for making hot beverages like tea, hot chocolate, and soup. The glass carafe has a stay-cool handle which makes it easy to lift and serve cordlessly. It has safety features such as auto shut-off, blue operational lights, and boil-dry protection. Its compact design fits easily on a countertop or shelf, and has a cord wrap recess for tidy storage of the cord. What we like: quick boiling time, automatic shut-off feature, compact and lightweight design, easy to clean, stylish glass design. What we don't like: water residue after emptying, no lid handle for easy opening,